Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is Andrea coming to you once again from my remote summer office lakeside. A lot of people are coming on. I'm on a different, let's say, side. I'm going to show you. This has been my new, as you can see behind me, remote office. But the reason I want to address something today. We had an occurrence where some exchange of words and thoughts were exchanged in our presence. Not me, but some families around me. And what happened was an incident had occurred that was not too serious, but it had occurred, and instead of responding, the individuals reacted. So this is what I bring to your attention today. When something, an occurrence, a situation, an incident, an individual or group of individuals tend to disrupt, interrupt, or break the peace of what you are doing, what your plans are, or where you're going, or in the event when you are with your friends and family, how do you handle the situation? Do you react? Do you respond? Do you take at least 1 to 3 seconds and process and figure out what the correct way to approach such situation, and what way and approach is the way to handle the situation? What do I mean by that? Many times we go off emotions, we go off frequencies, and this occurs when we either don't have enough food, we don't have enough sleep, we're concerned or worried about certain situations, and we don't really think things through, and somehow, some way, life happens, and some individual or group or incident occurs that's against your plan, and you get frustrated. I want you to take this technique and I want you to apply it with your family and friends, because this is something that I truly believe that individuals in our society today have to be mindful of and be cognizant of. Is when situations occur, life happens. It's going to happen when we don't understand it, we don't anticipate it, we don't plan for it, or someone in our area doesn't agree with it and approaches us in a certain situation. Be mindful, allow yourself to be the bigger and better person, and take 1 to 3 seconds, take a deep breath, and think of a technique that you are able to respond as opposed to react. Because remember, what energy you put upon others is the energy that is going to be reflected or absorbed and bounced back. It goes to the old cliche of treat others how you want to be treated. So keep that in mind in your daily events, your public events, as things are opening up, more and more crowds, people want to just have fun, and at times people may not align with your frequency or vibration. There might be some mishaps or interruptions, but you, and only you, are in control of how you react and how you respond. So take 3 seconds. Deep breath in and out, process the situation, and figure out what is the best response as opposed to reaction. Because for every action is a reaction. Make it your choice to respond. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice, certified under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, and your personal motivation coach and your personal accountability coach. To learn more and connect with me, join, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification, and you can find more information on me at andreamasons.com. And I encourage you every single day, you have a choice to press play, plan life according to you. And including that is how you respond and you react to all that's around you. You and only you are responsible and accountable for your own actions. Take care and have a wonderful day.